of these occur, then we can say that there is a chemical reaction that has taken place. Hope you will understand. So now open page number 2 of your NCERT book, class 10th. Yes. There are two activities given on page number 2, that is 1.2 and 1.3. It is based on the concept that I have recently told you. So you need to write their chemical equation. Firstly, in 9th standard we learned that how to write chemical formula from their chemical names. Lead nitrate you can easily write. Okay, then add potassium iodide in that solution, and then the products. You need to identify which type of change will occur, whether there is change in state, change in color, evolution of gas, or change in temperature. In activity 1.3, same is in activity 1.3. Take zinc granules, Zn, zinc symbol of zinc is Zn, plus dilute hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, or you can add sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, and that will react to form, if we are taking zinc plus HCl, then it will react to form zinc chloride plus H2, that is gas. So which type of change is there? Evolution of gas. And same is in case of sulfuric acid. If we take H2SO4 plus zinc, then zinc sulfate will form and hydrogen gas will evolute. So we can say that it is also evolution of gas. So further, hope you will understand till now. Next topic is our chemical equations. Chemical equations. In this we will learn how to write chemical equation from the chemical reaction. It is seen that by writing chemical reaction will take a very long time. So we need a shorter form, simpler form, which can be in the form of symbols. फिर हमने क्या किया, सिम्बल्स की फॉर्म में लिखना स्टार्ट कर दिया, क्योंकि पूरा पूरा नेम लिखते थे तो इट विल टेक लॉट ऑफ टाइम, बट वी डोंट हैव दैट मच टाइम. ओके, सो वर्ड इक्वेशन हमने किस में चेंज करनी शुरू कर दी? पहले हमने वर्ड इक्वेशन लिखते थे, देन वी विल चेंज वर्ड इक्वेशन बाय यूजिंग इट्स सिम्बल्स. So the thing that we write on our left hand side are known as reactants, and the formulas that we write on our right hand side is known as products. We put plus sign between any reactants or any products, means they will react, and arrow means direction of आर रिएक्शन, किस डायरेक्शन में हमारी रिएक्शन जा रही है. जैसे कि हमने 1.1 एक्टिविटी में किया था, मैग्नीशियम रिएक्ट किया ऑक्सीजन के साथ, तो मैग्नीशियम प्लस ऑक्सीजन रिएक्ट्स टू फॉर्म प्रोडक्ट क्या था हमारा? मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. तो हमने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट इट्स वर्ड इक्वेशन, एंड देन वी नो दैट व्हाट इज द सिंबल ऑफ मैग्नीशियम. Symbol of magnesium is Mg, and what is the symbol of oxygen? O2. वी पुट एरो, क्योंकि ये दोनों रिएक्ट करके क्या बना रहे हैं हमारा राइट हैंड साइड पे? मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. तो मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड हमने लिख दिया. बट नाउ व्हेन वी काउंट द नंबर ऑफ एटम्स ऑन ईच एलिमेंट, आर दे इक्वल? इक्वल हैं दोनों साइड पे? नहीं इक्वल. तो दिस मीन्स दैट दिस रिएक्शन इज अनबैलेंस्ड, because mass is not same on both the sides of equation. So we need to balance that reaction which includes equal number, that is known as balanced chemical equation, and that we will study in our next session. So I want you to read till now and try to solve the problems given on page number 6. These are the question you can easily do now. Why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? That I have already told you. Okay, this question you can easily write. And question number 3, by using symbols. So question number 1 and 3 you need to solve out, and we will discuss the answers in next session. So thank you, and keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much.